Namaste children, how are you all? Once again, welcome to your classroom. Previous class we were discussed about parts of a plant. In a plant, different types of parts are there. How in our body, different types of parts are there, same as it is in the plants also. Different types of parts are there. Yesterday we discussed about different types of parts. Now we are going to discuss about the two systems. One is, yesterday I told, one is shoot system. Shoot system nothing but above the ground level. This is the plant. Now above the ground level shoot system and below the ground level root system. Now we are going to discuss about that root system means that is below the ground level. Below the ground level root system. This is called a root system. Okay, now this is the root. It is fixed into the soil. Do all the roots are same? Do you know? Do you observe any time whenever you are uproot or pulling outside the plant? Do you observe here all the roots are same? No, here the roots are not same. Different types of plants and different types of root systems are there. And the root system is divided into again two types. How many types? Two types. What are the root systems? One is taproot system and another one is fibrous root system. How many types? Two types are there. One is taproot system and another one is fibrous root system. Now we are going to discuss about that taproot system. Taproot system is here is there. If you are observing here this plant has a root. It is fixed to the soil. Now it is only one main root and small hair-like rootlets are there. See here. Small are there. These small roots are called rootlets and one is going to the fixed to the soil. Okay, now this is called taproot. One main root is there, okay, into the soil. This main root is called taproot. The remaining small hair type is there. These roots are called lateral roots. What is lateral roots? Okay, now this is about the taproot system. Another one I am showing here. Then here this is one of the root system. Another plant I am taking. In this plant also see only one main root is there. The remaining are small rootlets are there. These small rootlets are called lateral roots. Remember I told what is root system? Below the ground level, that is called root system. The roots are divided into two types, that system, taproot system and another one is fibrous root system. Today we are going to discuss about the taproot system. Yes, no? I told already what is in the plant below the ground only one main root is there fixed to the soil and this main root is called taproot system. And the remaining small rootlets are called lateral roots. This is okay now. Now anyway, you know that above the ground level shoot system, it is doesn't matter, afterwards we will discuss. We are discussing about that what is root system. I think you are all understood clearly about the taproot system. Yes, children, thank you one and all.